video we're going to see how to install AI agent for the Playwright, like the Playwright test generator, Playwright test tailor, and Playwright test planner. So basically, like, you need to have VS Code with GitHub Copilot, or you can even use anti-gravity with Gemini model. Okay, so but like on the anti-gravity it's not straightforward. Okay, so there is a trick we have to use it. So uh, today I'm going to show you for the VS Code. Okay, so how you can install the Playwright agent. Okay, so the prerequisite is like you should have the VS Code with GitHub Copilot. Okay, and there are other things. You need to install the node modules. Okay, so this is the command. Okay, to you can install the node modules. So basically using the homebrew you can install the node modules. Hope everyone is aware of this. So since I have already installed it, I'm not going to reinstall it again in my system. So once you install the node modules, you can verify the node modules with this command, like node -v, which will give you the version which you installed it. So along with the node you will be getting basically the npm automatically installed, so no need to install the npm separately. So you can check the npm version as well with this command. Okay, so which will give you the like the node and npm versions basically. So next comes the to install the Chromium. So you need to basically when you install the Playwright, okay, so Chromium will be default installed, but in case if the Chromium is not present and if you want to install it, you can use this command. Okay, so Chromium is basically a browser. Okay, inbuilt browser, it will be opened by the Playwright, so which will be used for inspecting the element, or you can even record the script if you want. Okay, or like if you're using a mcp, so the mcp and in will open a browser. Okay, the same Chromium browser, and it will start doing a interactive operations as per the site. Mandatory because it will automatically install when you install the Playwright from the marketplace in the VS Code. So this is optional. So next comes the to install the Playwright agents. So this is the command, okay, which you have to try. npx playwright init agents and space dash loop equals to VS Code. So this is the command. Okay, so once you hit the command, like automatically the installation starts. Okay, and the agents will be added. So you will get these messages and all, like what all things has been getting installed. Like if you look into test generator md agent definition is added, test tailor agent definition is added. Okay, then test planner agent definition is added. So along with that, like if mcp is not installed, so like with this command the mcp is going to be installed, and finally you will be able to see here like all the mcp configurations and well, and you can see the agents installed to your the particular folder. Okay, so inside the project there is a GitHub folder will be created, and all your agents configurations will be added here. So if you look into right, like here I have opened already, like the GitHub. Okay, so is present, like the folder is added and the agent is added here, and inside that agent it will be adding your like all the agents configurations, so which you will be using it here. So that will come automatically here as well inside the agents, and then you have to select any particular agent as per the need, like the test generator or test tailor or test planner. So in this video, like basically my aim was to show you how to install this agent. So in upcoming videos I'll be showing you how to use these agents, okay, and perform your tasks. Okay, so we'll be using a Playwright test generator agent. Okay, so basically which will create a test. Okay, so either a manual or automation test, so which will make use of mcp server. Okay, and interact with the Chromium browser and create the tests. Okay, so as per the sample you will provide. Okay, so and then this is test healer is just to fix all your issues in the test script. So then we have a test planner, so which will be used for the planning. So in this video I'm not going to cover all this, so I'll be creating a separate video for covering each of this topic. So along with that we have Playwright CLI and Playwright Advanced CLI to be options to be used. Okay, so if you look into here, right, so that I'll be covering as a part of another video. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like so this video, please comment and like it and subscribe it. So you can post your questions as well. I'll try to answer all your questions. So thank you all. Have a good day.